Silverstone is ready to party like it's 1989 with this retro-inspired case. The Silverstone FLP01 started out as an April Fool's joke, but people loved it so much it's become real. This is a fully modern, ATX-compatible PC case, but its horizontal layout and beige body are based on the NEC PC9800, a classic of the Japanese market. My favorite part is the faux floppy drives on the front. The top one flips up to reveal space for a standard CD or DVD drive, and the bottom one is hiding the front USB ports. I suppose you could technically put in an actual 5 1/4 floppy drive on top, though you'll have to lift up the fake one to get at it. Here's the bad news. Silverstone has only confirmed that this case is coming to Japan early next year. Let's hope they get the memo and spread the retro love internationally. For more news on the latest PC components, check out PCWorld.com.